Hello everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Evening, ma'am.
Yes. Good evening.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening, ma'am.
Yes. As
Good
per the
evening, ma'am.
instructions, all of you mute yourself. Everyone should mute yourself. Yes. So let us start our new lesson, that is sound. So today we are discussing about the new chapter, that is sound. So already you are aware of what is that sound. Anything which vibrates. Okay, so anything which you are able to hear, that is called as vibration or sound. Okay, so what is that sound? You hear sound of various types of objects around you every day. Some of them like sounds of thunder, or some of them are some musical instruments, some of the beatings of some objects. So different kinds of sound you are hearing. So today we will be discussing about the chapter sound. So in this chapter sound, what are the topics we are discussing today is what do you mean by sound and how sound is produced, and what do you mean by music and noise. So these are the topics today we will be discussing. So let us go for the first topic, that is definition. So whenever the word sound comes, how we are able to hear, how the sound is heard by somebody, that will be discussing here today. So what is the definition of sound? So sound is a form of energy. This is also called as a form of energy that enables us to hear the vibration. So here we are learning a new word called vibrations. Sound is a form of energy which enables us to hear the vibration. So what is that vibration? We will discuss. We hear the sound of many objects when they vibrate. Vibrate means they start moving, or the movement of any object which is not possible for us to see, but we are able to experience it. We are able to feel it. So we hear the sound when objects vibrates. Vibration is the rapid to and fro motion of an object. To and fro motion means the motion of the object, the movement of the object from one end to another end is called as to and fro motion of object. So in what is the unit of this sound, how we are able to measure it? So how we our length we are measuring in the form of meter, or the centimeter or kilometer. The length we are measuring, suppose from Gulbarga to Sedam, how much is the distance? We say it is 50 kilometer, 51 kilometer. That kilometer is called as the unit. Same way, the sound is also having a unit that is called as decibel. What is that called? Decibel. See here. Take a small string and then stretch it. When you stretch and you touch the ends of these two, they start moving. That movement is nothing but the vibration. See here, a man is playing the guitar. So when he is playing the guitar, look at here. The strings, the wires which are connected here, they are moving up and down. This up and down is nothing but to and fro motion, or this is also called as vibration. So what is that called as? Vibration. The to and fro motion of an object is called as vibration. How we are able to hear. Okay, let us see here. We'll show you. Are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Look at this.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at this one. See how the objects are moving here. Can you hear the voice? Can you hear or not?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
This is sound. What they are
No,
talking.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
This
ma'am.
sound is you are not
No,
able to
ma'am.
hear.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. We cannot
Okay.
hear, ma'am.
Okay.
Instruments can be used to study sound
Now?
waves.
Yeah, ma'am.
If
Yes,
we
ma'am.
gently
Yes,
strike
ma'am.
a
Yes,
tuning
yes,
fork
ma'am.
with a rubber mallet,
Okay. Let me
we will hear
repeat this. Okay. So how we are able to hear, we'll show you. Just a second. See here.
sound and vibrations. The sounds we hear are actually vibrations that begin when an object produces a sound and then continues moving through matter. The tuning fork,
This is
a
called as
two-branched metal
tuning fork. It's made up of a metal. When you strike it, it starts vibrating. Look at the vibrations here.
tool used for tuning musical instruments, can be used to study sound waves. If we gently strike a tuning fork with a rubber mallet, we will hear the sound it produces, even though
So these are called as the vibrations. Okay. When a tuning fork is hit by a rubber, so what happens? It starts moving. That moving is nothing but the to and fro motion. So these to and fro motions, they are called as the vibrations.
we can't see the sound vibrations or the sound waves as they travel through the air. Let's perform an experiment which will allow us to see the sound vibrations as they travel through a medium. For this experiment, we will need a tuning fork, a rubber mallet, and a wide container of water. First, we
Observe
will place
carefully.
our container of water on the table, giving it time to become completely still. Use the rubber mallet to strike the tuning fork and then insert it about 2 inches into the water. As you do this, you can watch the vibrations of the fork create ripples that are moving through the water away from the fork. Now let's look more closely at what actually was happening when the
See here. What are these called as?
Vibrations.
Vibrations of sound.
Here, vibrations. When this tuning fork was hit by a rubber cork, what happened? It starts moving. We are unable to see that one. So if you want to see those vibrations, what we are doing here, those vibrations, we are allowing them to fall or to pass in the water.
vibrating fork was immersed. When the tuning fork struck the surface, water molecules bounced off the fork because of its vibrations. The vibrations of the molecules nearest the fork then vibrated the neighboring molecules, which in turn vibrated the molecules next to them. In this way, the vibrations or waves move through the water in the form of ripples until they reach the other end of the container. In a vacuum, there will be no molecules or particles for sound vibrations to move through. That means that sound cannot travel through a vacuum. From this experiment, we can see how sound travels in the form of waves through a medium.
So where sound waves will not travel, sound waves will not travel in vacuum. Vacuum means where there is no air. Okay. So sound needs the medium. That medium is nothing but it can be air medium, it can be water medium to travel the sound waves. How sound is traveling? Sound is traveling in the form of waves. Okay. So now I'm talking to you people. How my voice is able to reach you? Because of the air medium. Just now they have shown the experiment. In that experiment, what they are using? They are using water, isn't it? So that is water is also a medium. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Summary. Sound is what is produced by the vibration of particles or molecules through a particular medium. Sound cannot travel in a vacuum.
So take the screenshot of this one. So what we learned in this video, sound is what is produced by the vibration. Means sound is produced only by the vibration of the objects, and sound cannot travel through vacuum. Okay.
Vacuum.
So how sound is produced? Sound is produced by vibration of the object.
Vacuum.
Object.
Okay. Sound will not travel in vacuum. Okay.
Vacuum.
So let us go to the next concept here. So now we learned definition of sound. What is that sound? Sound is a form of energy which enables us to hear the vibration, or which enables us to hear the sound. Okay. Next you see how sound is producing. Just now we have seen a tuning fork. So this instrument is called as tuning fork. Why we are using this tuning fork? This tuning fork is used to show the vibrations in the laboratory. Okay, in science lab, what we are doing? If we want to talk about the vibration, we are using this instrument called as tuning fork. What is the tuning fork? Tuning fork is the device or the instrument used to show the vibration in the laboratory. Now, how sound is produced? Just now we have seen that.
Through air or water, ma'am.
Yes, through air or water. Exactly.
Air or water.
Yes, exactly correct. The rapid to and fro movement of objects in a fixed position. In a fixed position means in a particular direction, the waves are moving. So this is called as vibration. So how sound is produced? Sound is produced by?
Air or water, ma'am.
No, it is traveling through
Vibration,
air or water.
vibration, ma'am. Vibration.
The rapid to and fro movement of an object in a fixed position is called vibration. So how sound is produced? By the vibration. See here, when objects vibrates, then it produces sound. Okay, whenever the objects are vibrating, see, every time we are unable to hear the sound. Sometimes we hear the sound, sometimes we are unable to hear the sound, because some of the vibrations are there, they are traveling longer distance. Okay, some of the vibrations are there, they are not traveling too far distance. Because of that one, sometimes we hear the sound, sometimes we are unable to hear the sound. Say when you are talking in phone, every time are you able to hear same kind of sound from other person?
No, ma'am.
Sometimes we hear clearly, sometimes we are unable to hear clearly, isn't it? That is because whatever the sound waves are produced, they are disturbed by the air. Because of that reason, sometimes we hear the sound clearly, sometimes we are unable to hear the sound. In our school also, so we have the, after each period we have the bell, isn't it? Are we hearing the sound of that school bell every time?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We
No,
hear
ma'am.
sound of,
Sometimes we can hear, sometimes we can't hear.
sometimes we cannot hear. Correct. During rainy season, what happens? We are not
No, ma'am.
able
It
to
will
hear.
not hear properly, ma'am.
Yeah.
We cannot know.
Yes. If it is windy, then also we are unable to hear the sound so clearly. And when we are talking to each other, are we talking with the same speed? Same volume?
No, ma'am, different speed and different
exactly.
different
Different volume. Yes.
time.
Sometimes we are increasing our volume, sometimes we are decreasing our volume. Correct? So why? Because whenever we are talking, the vibrations, if they travel longer distance, we can hear. Now see here, if somebody is doing something nearby my house, Can you hear that sound?
Yes, ma'am. More, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, see here, my neighbor is doing some work in her house. Can you hear that sound?
No, ma'am.
No,
Half
ma'am.
of we
No,
can hear.
ma'am.
Why you cannot hear? I am able to hear that
Sound will
sound.
come low, ma'am.
Because the wall is between
Because
the
the
air, ma'am.
volume can be low or
Yes. So the distance, the waves which are produced by my neighbor house, they may travel up to your house or they may not travel up to your house, isn't it? If they are able to hear your house means you are able to hear the voice. Otherwise, no, isn't it? See here, all of us are nearby station, isn't it? So whenever the train comes, the horn of the train, can we hear or not?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
More, ma'am.
Though
is
we are
louder, ma'am.
very far from the station, then also we are able to hear that one because the sound waves are so strong so that they can travel longer distance. When they travel longer distance, we are able to hear the sound. Okay, so let us see some activities here.
Okay,
Some
ma'am.
activities. Wait.
Okay.
How sound is produced? Let us see here. Wait. Can you hear the voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Observe the video carefully.
Wasn't that wonderful? Let's check out how this music was produced. Click on an instrument to see how it works.
See what they are asking? We have to click on each instrument. These are called as instruments, isn't it? Where
Yes,
we are
ma'am.
using these?
Yes, ma'am.
Where we are
In
using-
music
What, ma'am?
competitions, ma'am.
Yes,
In
exactly.
music,
Yes, in music. Let us see here.
The tanpura is a stringed instrument. Did you notice that the strings vibrate when they are plucked? It is these vibrations that produce sound.
Let us see the next one.
The
See,
drum
that
is a
sound is
percussion
different.
instrument.
This sound is
In
different.
percussion instruments, vibrations are
ma'am.
produced by striking two things together. In the case of the drum, the stretched drum membrane, when struck, vibrates to produce sound.
See, this is called as membrane. Membrane means a sheet or the layer is stretched.
Sheep's skin, ma'am. Sheep's
Yes,
skin, ma'am.
skin of animal, not only sheep, skin of animal is used. Such kind of instruments are called as percussion instrument.
It is very thick, ma'am. It will
Yes.
come more.
Sound. So where they are using, do you know? Apart from
Yes,
music
ma'am.
room, where they are using?
In functions, ma'am.
Exactly, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am. In
During
functions, ma'am.
functions,
In
yes,
marriage.
yes, marriages.
The
See.
flute is a wind instrument. Can you guess what vibrates here?
See here we don't have any
It's
wire.
the air column.
Ah,
The vibrating air column produces the soothing music from the flute. But we can't see these vibrations because air is invisible.
so this is called as wind instrument. Why it is called wind instrument? Because the air
Ma'am,
which we
because-
are blowing, exactly, the air which we are blowing, using that one, the sound is produced. So let us see here. So what type of sound we are talking? Our next topic is here. Music and sound. So what do you mean by music? Music means we feel to hear it again and again. Correct?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what is the music? Music, see, we feel relaxed when you hear the music. Correct?
Yes, yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So what is this music? If the vibration, see, whenever we talk about the sound, it is nothing but the vibration. If the vibrations produced by an object or an instrument are regular, regular means repeatedly they are vibrating. See, music means we have saregama, padanisa, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So nicely your teachers, your music teacher will sing. Sir, whenever you go to class, sir will be playing the Casio, correct? So when sir is
Yes, ma'am.
playing the
Yes, ma'am.
Casio, we feel to hear it again and again, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Because we feel to hear it again and again, that is called as, that is pleasant to hear. If the vibration produced by an object or an instrument or a device, they are regular.
Ma'am, tell once again, ma'am.
The
I can't hear
vibration,
properly.
yes, the vibrations which are produced by an object or an instrument are regular. Regular means after certain time they are repeating. See here, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. Again it is repeating or not? Means they
Yes,
are
Yes, ma'am.
regular. The sound vibrations are regularly repeating. That kind of sound is called as music, and this music is pleasant to hear. And music sound is produced by musical instruments. So what are the musical instruments? How many types of musical instruments we have? See here. One is stringed instrument. What do you mean by stringed instrument?
Guitar.
Yes,
Ma'am,
exactly.
like guitar there in that.
Yes, we have the strings
Yes, ma'am.
here. Okay, they will be having wires. The metal
Wires, ma'am.
wires are used to produce the sound of the
Sound.
music. So they are called, these
Observe.
are all the examples for your stringed instruments. Next is wind. Wind means where we are
Not.
using the
Ma'am,
air.
that.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what are the wind instruments here? Where we are blowing. This a trumpet is there, saxophone is there, flute is there.
Flute, ma'am.
Yes, so where we are using the air, they are called as wind instrument. Next comes percussion instrument, means we are using
Make
the
of a
membrane.
skin, make of animal skin, ma'am.
Yeah, exactly. So earlier we were used to have the animal's skin, but now we are using fiber layers. Now animals, killing the animals
And
is
missions
banned now.
also, ma'am.
Yes, we are not using animals. Now we are using the fiber sheets to produce
Ma'am.
the sound. Okay. So music
Yes,
is there
ma'am.
which we are able to hear and we are able to feel, we are able to
Feel
relax.
vibration, ma'am.
What will be the opposite of music? Anybody knows?
Dance.
What is the opposite of music? Music means we are able to
Singing.
hear and we feel relaxed. Opposite of music is, see here. These are things they are
And sound
producing.
pollution.
Pollution. Sound pollution is nothing but noise.
Yes, ma'am. Something. Noise.
Okay.
Yes,
Whenever
ma'am.
you are dragging the benches in the class, we feel relaxed.
No, ma'am. Irritating, ma'am.
No, ma'am, coming
Ah.
angry.
We feel angry, we feel irritated because we are not able to hear that sound. We are unable to control. It is not pleasant to our ears. That is called as unpleasant to hear. If the vibrations produced by an object or an instrument are irregular. Regular means we are able to hear. Irregular means
We are
We are
not
not
able
here
to hear.
many
Yes.
times,
Cannot
ma'am.
hear, ma'am.
yes, then that sound is called as noise. The noise is unpleasant to hear. The excessive noise in our surrounding is called as noise pollution. Where we have the noise pollution, where continuously the unpleasant sound is
Unpleasant.
coming out. Yes.
Or
See here, your traffic, during traffic, everyone is
traffic.
gone pressing the horn. Your
and
train
train
sound.
sound also,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
And
So
In traffic jam.
exactly, traffic jam, or during the functions, during Ganapati function, they play the songs, no? Isn't it?
DJ, ma'am.
DJ songs.
bring a
So
bigger
for
tape
some,
recorder,
see,
ma'am.
these DJ sounds, no, for sometimes for 1 hour or half an hour, we feel to hear. But if it continues for 3 hours
After
or 4
it
hours,
get a headache, ma'am.
exactly, we get
irritated.
headache. Why we feel? Because our mind is not able to tolerate such a high sound. So that
High
when
volume.
it is not possible for us to hear means, we say that that is the noise. Okay, so let us see here. I will share you one more video. Wait here. So what we learned? Music we learned, noise also we learned. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
See
ma'am.
here. Let us play this one.
We hear so many sounds around us. Honking cars, barking dogs, different types of music, mobile ringtones. The list just goes on. Some of these sounds are pleasant to hear, while some can be quite jarring.
So this is called as pleasant sound, isn't it? Because
Pleasant sound.
the music,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
sound waves are repeated regularly. Correct? Regularly
When
they
we
are
repeat
repeated
and
means
repeat, ma'am.
it is called as music.
Pleasant sound.
Music, for instance, is something we all enjoy listening to.
Can we say that one as music?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
It is different sound, ma'am.
Ah.
Getting more sound.
Ah.
On the other hand, the hammering or clattering of machines is very unpleasant to hear. However, both pleasant and unpleasant sounds played loudly and for a long duration become undesirable for our ears. Such undesirable sounds are termed as noise. The loudness or intensity of sound is expressed in a unit called decibel. Any sound higher than 85 decibels is considered as noise. Such high-intensity sounds have an alarming effect on human hearing. Let's listen to the sounds of different intensities. Drag the slider to explore sounds of different intensities. Human ears are capable of detecting sounds of very low intensity. This faintest sound that a human ear can detect is known as the threshold of hearing. 0 decibel corresponds to a normal, healthy human being's threshold or minimum level of hearing. On the other hand, 130 decibels generally correspond to our threshold of pain. This figure of threshold of pain is quite subjective, as sounds intensities which may be considered painful for one may be enjoyable for others. However, this tolerance for louder sounds does not make people immune to the damage that such sounds can produce.
So, what we learned today? We learned the definition of the sound, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes,
we
ma'am.
learned music.
And
Yes.
how does the noise come, ma'am?
Yes. Now you see some
Noise pollution, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Now you see here.
of sounds.
Yes. Now I'll ask you some questions. You answer it. Okay. Some quiz
Okay.
questions are there here. So, to and fro motion of an object is called dash. To and fro is called wave or
Ma'am,
vibration or
both vibration and
Ah, yes.
Vibration.
Both vibration and
vibration.
oscillation. Yes. So what is the
Oscillation, ma'am.
answer? Yes. Vibration and answer.
Answer.
Next. Showing answers also. Okay. Sound is produced when object moves or object vibrates or does not move or does not
Vibrates.
move.
Vibrates.
Yes.
Vibration.
Yes, correct, correct. Don't scratch on the screen, okay? So sound is produced when object vibrates, correct. Next one. Name the apparatus used to produce sound in the laboratory. Four
Ma'am,
or
tuning fork.
balancer or
None of this.
None
of
See, name the apparatus used to produce the sound in the laboratory. In
Ma'am,
lab,
what is the
we are
meaning of
using?
apparatus, ma'am?
What is the
So-
meaning of laboratory?
Laboratory, science lab. Laboratory is nothing but
Ma'am,
science
that
lab.
apparatus, what is that, ma'am?
Apparatus means a device.
Tuning fork, ma'am.
Yes, tuning fork is the correct answer. Okay, so these are some questions which we have seen. There are some more questions. Just a minute. See, after this one, I'll be sharing one worksheet with you. What you have to do? You have to fill that worksheet. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
I'll be sending in the WhatsApp that this worksheet I'll be sharing with you. So you have to complete the worksheet. Okay. So we have some more questions here. State whether the following statement is true or false. Sound near a construction site is considered to be a pleasant sound. Correct? Near a construction of a house.
False, ma'am.
False. Let us see the answer.
False, ma'am.
Yes. So near
Yeah.
construction of house, what happens? The sound waves are not
Unpleasant
regular.
sound, ma'am.
Irritating,
Yes,
ma'am.
By
correct.
drilling machine and more
Yes,
things, ma'am.
exactly. Correct, correct. Next one.
is unpleasant, ma'am.
Yes. Noise pollution is harmful for
All
human,
of the
animal,
above.
bird,
All of the above, ma'am.
All of the above,
For-
ma'am.
All of the above.
yes, for everyone, noise pollution is not good. So what is the answer? Yes, your answer is correct.
All of the
B1.
above.
Yes. Let's go to next one. A musical instrument is producing a continuous note which cannot be heard by a person having normal hearing range. The note must be then passing through.
Vacuum, ma'am. Vacuum.
Vacuum.
Let us see.
Water,
So this we didn't discuss. Let us
Water,
see
ma'am.
the solution.
Water,
Okay. See here, the note
Vacuum,
must be passing through. The musical instrument produced continuous note which cannot be heard by a person. So where the sound waves are not traveling, sound waves are not traveling in vacuum, isn't it?
Vacuum, ma'am.
So musical
Yes, ma'am.
instrument is showing the sound, but we are unable to hear because it is traveling through vacuum, and sound waves will not travel through the vacuum.
Vacuum.
Yes. Which of the following vibrates when musical note is produced by cymbals in an orchestra. Or cymbals means
Strings,
what? The
string,
plates. The
String, ma'am.
wait. The plates where they are hitting, they are called as cymbals. Plate, they will be having plate like a structure, and every time they are hitting. Okay, they are called as metal plates. Okay, yes, the
Yes.
metal plates will be there, isn't it? So they are,
Yes, ma'am.
when they hit,
Yes, ma'am.
they produce the sound.
Sound, ma'am.
Musical instrument that does not use a vibrating string. String is not having. What is that one?
Flute, ma'am.
Flute, ma'am.
Flute, ma'am.
Ah,
Flute.
so flute is example for which kind of instrument?
Air instrument, ma'am.
Wind
Air,
instrument.
ma'am.
Yes. Air instrument.
Air
You should not say
instrument, ma'am.
air. You should not say air instrument. You should say it is a flute. The flute is an example for wind instrument.
Flute instrument, ma'am.
Okay. So these are the few examples for your music and noise. Okay. So in our next class,
Yes, ma'am.
we will be discussing few more concepts. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you everyone
Okay,
for
ma'am.
joining the class. Now you can leave.
Bye, ma'am.